Good afternoon, Ken here. Andrew from Lexus of Kelowna. Thanks for calling in on our 2018 Tundra TRD Sport here. As we're out of town, I just want to make you a quick video here just so you can see the truck in its true condition here. So I'll just start with a little walk around here. Obviously, being a 2018, you're going to have some scratches and a little bit wear and tear. Very common for a vehicle like this. Nice open countries on there. This has a 5.7 liter. No dents, dings, scratches, anything on the door panels there. The nice TRD rims, the TRD exhaust. Again, common scratches here on the pickups just along here. Little minor mark just right there as well. And you've got the nice tri-fold cover here. And the minor little scratches right there. I'll just unlock it here for you. Power locks, power windows over there. Cloth seats in here. Nice power sunroof there. Huge cat in the back here. Nice light headliner as well, so it really opens things up that way. So there's a current odometer reading. Oh, just went away there. It's just over 39 there. $39,535. Got some of your trailer options down here, parking sensors. Auto high beam here, window, door light. This is going to be your navigation screen here, infotainment screen, backup camera, everything like that. Then you got your sunroof controls up here with a little compass and the home link built into the rearview mirror. So that's kind of the quick walk around there of the Tundra, Ken. So just wanted to shoot that so you had a better idea of what the truck actually looks like for when you guys get down here. Anyways, I'll shoot this off to you along with the trade numbers and we'll go from there. Thanks, Ken. Take care.